PelPro units are designed to be do-it-yourself, DIY, products. If you are uncomfortable troubleshooting or repairing your appliance on your own, don't hesitate to hire a local hearth dealer or chimney sweep. Always refer to your product manual for complete details on troubleshooting your unit, and again, always ensure your stove is shut off, cool, and unplugged. Your model and serial number are typically located on a plate or sticker attached to the back of the unit. If you're not able to see this label or sticker, try using a camera or camera phone to take a picture of this area. Having the model and serial numbers required for receiving service or ordering parts from the PelPro Consumer Care Department. Check to make sure the entire unit and exhaust venting system are clean. Heavy buildups in the burn pot or ash buildup in the unit or exhaust vent system can restrict airflow and cause the unit to shut off. Clean the unit and attempt to relight. Next, check the dial control, and if the LED light is flashing red, pay attention to the number of flashes. One red flash means there isn't enough fuel being delivered to the fire pot to maintain a flame. This may mean that the hopper is out of pellets, or it could mean that the auger is jammed. To fix this, first inspect the feed tube at the bottom of the hopper for any pellets or debris jamming the auger. Once clear, fill the hopper with pellets and close the hopper lid. Many models also have a hopper switch that requires the lid to be closed for the auger to turn. Check to see if your unit has a hopper lid switch and make sure it's fully engaged. If the hopper has pellets, the lid is closed, and the auger isn't jammed. Clean the fire pot and make sure it's installed correctly. Prime the feed tube if needed, and turn the unit on. If the fire still doesn't start, it may be an igniter issue. Once complete, turn the dial control to the off position, wait 10 seconds, and turn the dial control back to the desired setting. You can also unplug the unit, wait 10 seconds, and then plug it back into the outlet. Two red flashes mean the exhaust temperature isn't within the acceptable range. This could mean that the exhaust temperature probe has been disconnected from the board. Simply plug the probe back into the board. If this doesn't work, unplug the probe, inspect the connection, and check the entire wire for damage. Plug the probe back in. If you still see two red flashes on the control, replace the exhaust temperature probe with a new one. Once complete, turn the dial control to the off position. Wait 10 seconds and turn the dial control back to the desired setting. You can also unplug the unit, wait 10 seconds, and then plug the unit back into the outlet. Three red flashes mean the unit isn't accurately sensing the temperature in the room. This could mean that the ambient temperature probe has been disconnected from the board. Simply plug the probe back into the board. If this does not work, unplug the probe, inspect the connection, and check the entire wire for damage. Plug the probe back in. If you still see three red flashes on the control, replace the ambient temperature probe with a new one. Once complete, turn the dial control to the off position. Wait 10 seconds and turn the dial control back to the desired setting. You can also unplug the unit, wait 10 seconds, and then plug the unit back into the outlet. Four red flashes. This means the unit missed ignition. This can happen for several reasons. First, make sure there are pellets in the hopper, and if pellets are already in the hopper, confirm that the auger isn't jammed and is able to turn properly. If the unit has pellets in the hopper and no other jams, it may mean that the fire pot is too dirty for the pellets to get near enough to the ignition hole in the fire pot. Clean the fire pot by removing it from the unit and removing the ash buildup, then return the fire pot. Lastly, a missed ignition may be caused by an igniter issue. Confirm that the igniter is in the proper position in the fire pot. If it's in the proper position, replace the igniter. Once complete, turn the dial control to the off position. Wait 10 seconds, and turn the dial control back to the desired setting. You can also unplug the unit, wait 10 seconds, and then plug the unit back into the outlet. 8 red flashes mean the exhaust temperature is too high. This may mean that the convection blower is dirty. Clean the convection blower and return it to the unit. If this does not solve the issue, the convection blower may need to be replaced. Watch the convection blower cleaning video to see how to properly clean the blower. You may also see 8 red flashes if the unit is using fuel other than wood pellets. Do not use any type of fuel in PelPro units other than wood pellets. 8 red flashes may also occur if the installation is too tight and doesn't allow enough air to circulate around the unit. Review your installation and move the unit if necessary. Once complete, turn the dial control to the off position, wait 10 seconds, and turn the dial control back to the desired setting. You can also unplug the unit, wait 10 seconds, and then plug the unit back into the outlet. Need additional help? You can find more information in the manual by visiting the Troubleshooting section on PelProStoves.com or by calling PelPro Consumer Care at 877-427-3316.